Hello and welcome back to our next lecture from this course on how to use Groovefunnels to build different pages and funnels for your online business for free. In the previous lectures we have seen how you can create and edit a page, how you can add the different elements, how you can add blocks, and now just a short recap. We want to show you again the blocks that you have at your disposal to use for creating your pages, which are in a considerable amount and very useful. You have blocks for different things that are are proven to be very popular for building pages and funnels. And we have all blocks here. Okay, basically from here you can select like main templates or pieces of blocks which are larger, and then we have them on different categories, which is more useful because obviously every page has its own specific. We have alert bars, we have call to actions, we have checkout forms, contacts, content, countdown timers, lead magnets, resources, footers, forms, gallery, headers, pricing, progress bars, seasonal, team testimonials. So absolutely all the main things that you would see on a high converting sales page or landing page or lead page, you can find here. And for example, let's say that we want to add testimonials. We just click on testimonials and we have different blocks or examples of testimonials. Let's just take this one. We want to put it here. We drag and drop it, and then you just have to modify the pictures, the text, the actual testimonials. Okay, so this is pretty powerful. Then we have call to actions, different call to actions. Okay, if you are going to check this section here, you have different call to actions blocks that you can add. For example, claim your book today and get the free bonuses. Okay, we can add this one, and this block you will see that has more elements. Okay, it has the countdown timer, it has the payment button, okay, header, so it has absolutely everything. So this is how you use the blocks. They are very useful because you already have things that you are very likely to use. Okay, now another thing that you are going to see, if you are going to go, to look at the left side menu and click on the pages button, you are going to see that we have the primary navigation for the pages, and we have our main page, the index, but we can add a new page to our site, right? And we see single pages, all categories. Okay, what we want from here, obviously if we have a landing page or a sales page, we might want a thank you page, to add a thank you page. And if we select the thank you page, we see here the templates, and let's say that this is the one that we want. Okay, these are the premium ones. Let's select one which is free. Okay, this one, right? So we select this one. Now we have the thank you page as well. Obviously we will have to change things so that the brand looks the same, the branding looks the same, like the same colors and everything else. And this is the second page, so we have home and page 2 on our site. Okay, then if we are going in the left side menu and click funnels, click on the funnels option, you will see that here we for this moment we have no funnel. Okay, what we want to do is click on the plus button and we can add a funnel. Let's say the order confirmation or the simple landing page. Okay, let's select the simple landing page, and we are basically creating a new funnel from scratch. Okay, simple landing page. If we click here in funnels again on plus, we can add a new page like the thank you page, and we can just select this one, and this is our funnel. Okay, so this is how the funnel works. The funnel section works. Basically it's the website which has a few pages, but here we call it a funnel because it's let's say, oriented towards a single purpose, okay, to get a lead, to convert it into a buyer, or simply to get a lead, okay. A normal website is not a funnel because a normal website usually has more purposes, okay. It's not goal oriented. A normal website is created to give awareness and other things, okay, to build brand awareness, to get traffic, to provide content and education for your visitors and potential customers, okay, to build loyalty and so on. A funnel is very goal oriented, either to make sales, to get leads, okay, and other things like that. So this is how the pages and funnel section works. And in our next lecture, we are going to discuss about the use of pop-ups, which is another very powerful feature that Groovefunnels has in the free version as well.